They are dismounted already. Just walking near at
Smoke
space
pala
station.
ako.
Pumark si Fakol. Front.
Na kay ano, na kay Gcash.
Hinahanap ko.
Welcome west side uphill again.
I'm looking for
Southwest
fuck
uphill.
you.
I do not like fighting very
Gago,
open
alay.
with them first. Again, we just hold, we just hold uphill. 2 engages, main Zerg, 1 bomb squad. Later 2 engages, then 2 bomb squad. But yeah, hold
Guys,
first.
don't pick. They're trying to catch scouts, ah.
We just chill.
Okay. May nakita ka na bang ano?
This mommy.
Wala pa naman.
They're dismounted at the HO. Dismounted at the HO.
Yo, kill the guards here. Sorry, kill the mobs here,
Careful,
kill the mobs here.
careful, careful.
Yo, Marlica, food check OC.
They OC, then check out.
Yeah. How big are they? They should be 41, 40,
37.
37,
37.
103. Okay.
Gcash,
One
baka
engagement bomb.
makita mo na.
I think last time they have a very mini, they have a mini bomb. So just be careful. Like it's like a geyser.
Dismounted
then just
walking,
a carving longbow.
Oh, fuck.
Dismounted,
It's a very
dismounted.
small.
Yeah, they're walking up now.
Tapos ready, pass engage yun ah.
Yeah, listen,
South ma.
come north,
Shallow.
come uphill,
First
spread
engage,
uphill,
Helion.
uphill,
Ayun,
spread uphill. Yo,
Tapos
Kaba,
tapos
just
ako.
counter engage her, when they trying to step up, okay? I'm trying to look for Fakol. You're ready, defense. Fakol stepping up, listen, Fakol stepping up, ready, defense. Yo, listen, only... Yo, first
Pumark
party
si
get
Fakol.
ready.
Ano?
Come northeast
The
side.
first party.
Yeah, I'm trying to fuck you.
Your
Tama, sir,
defense is...
Rock is
My
okay,
party, look at
ready.
east side shallow, east side shallow. My party, 5,
First Helion,
4, 3,
offensive Helion.
2, 1, my party, east side shallow. Wait, come back.
Looking,
Careful, focus on the
they're
jump
looking,
side, be
they're
careful, tanks.
They're inching up, ah.
Engage,
They're
engage,
Yeah, be
engage
careful, they're
first.
inching up, okay? Careful.
Pumark si
Okay,
Fakol,
sure.
please.
Spit. Yeah, we
Hindi
try
mo
to kill the
Fakol.
tanks first, okay? Careful
Hindi,
south side,
ano,
what's happening south side?
Asan siya?
Why they hitting someone on the
Nawala
south
na
side?
kanina nakita ko na.
Yeah, too many on the east side there, tanks, ah. Too many of you guys
Sige,
there.
tax is not right.
Yeah, step up a bit.
Magdadip yung tank ka
Step
na.
up a bit.
Dito pa si Mogi sa uphill.
Oh, come back north, walk back. Yo, very ready offensive, please. Wait. You step up. Yo, get ready. Oh, come north.
They're inching up, engaging.
Defend east side. Yo, the people that die first engage, come on. React better. Fucking dumbasses, man. Yo, everyone, look at the tanks inside. Wait.
Sa engage Helion.
South side, by the hideout. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side by the hideout. Nice. Come back north. Heal up, come back north.
Start the field.
Gcash,
Bigyan mo sa
pamark
akin,
si ano.
bigyan mo sa akin, bigyan mo sa akin. Okay na.
I feel like
Okay na.
he engaged again. I feel like that's to engage, man. I feel like.
How many tanks we lost?
Yeah.
One?
Yeah,
Inching
go
up,
northwest,
kami.
northwest. Do not step up.
Fakol and south is careful.
Do not step up yet. Careful. Just watch front line.
Around southeast.
Yo, get ready. South shallow.
chill, but hold
On the
on.
tank shallow. Wait.
First
Can I get
Helion.
the GA?
Careful.
East side, defend. Oh, he's no reaction at all, man. Just dead. Come back. Another bomb above coming in. Careful. South side. Shallow. 5, everyone. 4, 3,
Set up,
2,
set up.
1. South side shallow.
Helion.
Kill this guys. Okay, come back north.
Start the field up a
Fakol
bit.
is looking at you.
Engage.
No. Heal up.
Took a good armor.
Heal up my front line, boys. Okay, good. They miss one engage. They have another engage coming.
Another engage
coming.
Heal up. Boys, find the crown. Get ready. Look at the crown. Heal up the front line. Look at the crown now. 7 seconds. Okay, heal up.
Helion.
Seconds.
Kami side here.
Walang heal.
Follow,
Ready na
follow.
ka. 10 seconds.
Yo, watch Fakol. Stay on top of Fakol. The behemoth, stay on top of Fakol. Yo, get ready. Inside. Look at the tank inside. Okay, wait. Spread. He's gonna engage.
Walking.
Spread.
Fakol coming.
Marika,
They're walking.
South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side now. Yo, can I get exalted, please? Now spread north side.
Engage now.
You're all on the east side.
Laki na, wala akong
East side.
Engage.
Sir.
Copy.
Dude, late na. Nag-engage na, pre. Come south side.
South side of B.
Come south side. Marika, come west side here. Wrap
We
southwest
go
side
west.
of me. You're one screen away of me again. Come on! Wrap west side. Keep wrapping west side.
Rapping north.
Everyone, get ready. East side shallow.
Engage
5,
me, engage
4,
me already,
3,
engage me
2, 1. East side shallow now. Headbutt.
Fakol
Ready
is look.
defenses here. He's looking. He's about to engage. Spread west side. He's coming in deep. Careful. Defend now. Boys, motherfucking defenses, man. Come on, wake up. Come south.
Isa yung back.
No reactions. The engage is just fully damaged, man. Come on.
You guys,
Come to me.
second ano
DPS,
kay I
come to me
need
now.
I need it.
7 seconds.
Pakol,
Look at the crowd.
pakol sa main.
On top of me, west side, by the tree, west side. 5, 4, 3,
I
2,
need this.
1. By the tree now, by the tree now, by the tree now, by the tree now.
Engage.
Come north, come north. He's
Bakal,
looking
bakal,
deep,
bakal,
he's looking deep, he's looking deep, he's looking deep. Full ben. My god, man. The
East side,
playlist is so
Ditangs?
fucking deep, man.
Sinong ano, Ditang sa east side?
Come north
Ano
side,
yung
come north
So,
side, come
nasa
north
west
side.
ako.
Yeah, the cleanses are doing a bad job.
Sige,
You guys
sa
are getting
mga
like
Ditang sa
CC
south. Sino to?
so
May malaking CC
You're not
dito.
even-
Pakol yung singap, pakol yung
Yeah,
singap.
Malika, get ready, look at the crown.
Oh, shit.
Engage.
Heal up. Heal up,
Oh,
look at the crown,
silence,
silence, get ready,
silence.
shallow on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow the crown now, shallow the crown now, shallow the crown now, shallow the crown now.
Not again.
Come north. The
Pakol me
I need this, guys. You guys, I need this.
Pakol on the east side, okay?
Kailangan ko
He's
rin
gonna
ng-
look soon, he's looking.
Wala.
He's stepping up.
Pakol,
Stepping up.
Straight. East side tanks.
Ready defenses, he's looking. Ready defenses, tanks, get ready to defend. Defend now.
Looking now.
Defend now. Yo, the heals are slow.
Engage.
Engaging. Tommy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On Tommy now. Yeah, everyone out first. Everyone out first.
Gil pa ba dyan? Putang ina.
Yo, the
Wait,
cleanses
wait,
is so
putang
bad,
ina.
man. Cleanses, you guys are very bad. Like enemies like able to just hold you guys for like 10 seconds and then just
I
engage,
think
man.
we should try to save the BMs, I think.
It's very
Yeah,
wrong
try to save the
for
BM.
them to be able to engage like
But I
that,
think
man.
it's a fixed fight, no?
Full ganker
No,
something.
GG,
Ganker something.
Still careful.
Um,
Just careful our BMs for now.
BMs, safe.
And listen, the tanks that
Yo,
you
yo,
die
yo,
in
yo,
first
yo,
engage,
yo,
come
yo,
on,
yo.
man. You already see the engage coming from far away, and
Tapos na.
still you guys are not reacting to it at all. They're just dying.
Na masyadong na-advantage yung
ilan yung namatay nung first engage? Like how many tanks?
Oo.
May BM ako dito.
Yo, gankers here, help ka ba? Gankers here, dismount on me. On me. Yeah, everyone, regear and go, come together. Regear and come together.
Nag-hit yung DPS.
Come back north. What the fuck? There are so many fucking disrupts, man.
Yung DPS nila naka-heal yun, Hood.
They have perma engage also.
All
May-
of the
may-
DPS.
Yeah, sobrang dami nilang heal yun. Like, tas magkasunod yung